Hi, my name is Boom. I'm a beekeeper. I just want to share my stingless bee colonies. The scientific name is Trigona biroi frise, or commonly called quillot, here in the Philippines. Today, I'm going to unbox 3 colonies of stingless I bought from Luzon. In a world increasingly reliant on technology and quick fixes, the ancient art of beekeeping is experiencing a modern-day renaissance. From urban rooftops to sprawling gardens, more and more people are choosing to delve into the fascinating world of honeybees. But why the growing interest? Beyond the sweet reward of honey, beekeeping offers a surprising array of benefits, both for individuals and the environment. This explores the multifaceted advantages of tending to these vital pollinators, unveiling the diverse reasons why beekeeping is becoming a popular and impactful pursuit. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos about beekeeping.